Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block and turn off entirely sensitive content in Telegram on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for this specific method it will be necessary to access Telegram via the Chrome or any other browser you're using version, because this method, unfortunately, I don't know why, but unfortunately it doesn't work through the desktop application installed on your PC or laptop. So what you want to do is head over to the Telegram application on your web browser. Let me just return to the previous menu. And here guys, click into these three lines in the top left and select settings. Inside your settings, head over to privacy and security. And last but not least, scroll all the way down in your privacy and security settings till you get to sensitive content, and make sure that you don't enable sensitive content here guys. So I will leave it at that, so that sensitive content stays blocked and that the filtering is active, and so that I don't see any of that sensitive content in my Telegram account, neither through the web application nor the desktop application nor the mobile version, because that feature, you guys, applies basically or gets saved for all of your account, no matter how you access your account through which device. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.